2026 BMW X5, efficient and powerful. Of course, the ultimate SUV just got better. Gas prices are rising, cities are going electric, and drivers are asking more from every gallon. Enter the 2026 BMW X5, sleek, smart, and surprisingly efficient. For years, the BMW X5 has stood tall among mid-size luxury SUVs. But now, in 2026, the competition has gone green, so BMW had to respond with more than just a facelift. Let's break it down. The new X5 offers a 48V mild hybrid system on all trims, a refreshed plug-in hybrid xDrive 50e, and smarter aerodynamics. So, how does it drive? Still like a BMW. The handling is sharp, the cabin is quiet, and the electric assist gives it smooth, low-end power. BMW is listening. Drivers want options. And the 2026 X5 delivers. Petrol power when you need it. Electric drive when you want it. Efficiency doesn't mean boring anymore. It means smart. And in the X5's case, it still means luxury. Because when you're saving fuel and still smiling behind the wheel, that's the future we want. What do you think of the 2026 BMW X5? Would you choose hybrid over horsepower?